The gopis of Vrindavan in the Ras Lila, they most perfectly exemplify the Bhagavad Gita. Sarva Dharman. Dharman means Varna Dharma, not Ashram Dharma. So this is being told here. So it represents the neglect of their duties. Vishwanath Chakravarti says that they're giving up in this verse all their duties based on aham, ahamta, and mamta. They're giving up the gopis of Vrindavan, Brajastriya. They're giving up all their duties and actions and activities based on I am, aham, and mamta, I and mine. I and mine. I am the wife in this family, and my duty is this, to milk cows and boil milk and make ghee and all these things. So they gave up all that. Because ultimately, janasya mohoya mahamameti, the jana, we people in this world, were victimized by our misconceptions of I and mine. We identify I am the body, I am this and that, and mine is this world, and mine are these possessions. And the gopis thought, I am not this family, I am not this wife, I am not this gopi, I am not this cowherd girl. I am Krishna's servant. I am Krishna's beloved. And my Kanta is calling me. So yatra kanto javalola kundala. And I have to go where my lover is, at Vamshivat. Wherever God is, I have to go to him. As I said, people in India would go to Rishikesh, go to the Himalayas. God is there. Rishis go there to find God. Or go to the forest. Dhruva Maharaj's mother told him to go to the forest to find God. Usually go to some secluded place, some sattvic place to find God. They went to Vamshivat. It's also a forest of Vrindavan. Very thick forest. So the verse is describing this whole point, that this is the very cornerstone of married life. Very cornerstone of married life is duty. The husband has his duty to the wife has duties. And the gopis are apparently giving up their duty. Not that we're advocating giving up the duty, but this is what's being shown here. And the ultimate expression of divine love, the ultimate teaching. Because sometime in some life, at some junction in our life, we have to give everything to God. Sarva Dharman Prityaja.